1st Jan is the Gregorian New Year, which celebrates just a change in calendar date. Ugadi is our New Year, in line with forces of nature as per the lunisolar calendar. On this day, the tilt of the earth renders the northern hemisphere to receive the highest amount of sun's energy. Let us use this opportunity to raise our consciousness towards our planet and our body, as both are solar powered. Have you wondered why does the cow have such an important significance on Ugadi? You might not know the answer until you meet the Desi cows. Team GoPals is giving us an opportunity to reconnect with nature. Celebrate Ugadi with cow by participating in fun-filled environmental activities like making seed balls to restore forest cover, experiencing the therapeutic koi kanuflan or cow hugging, bullock cart ride, etc. There are going to be guest lectures too. Know about the role of cow from organic farming stalwart AP Chandrasekar of the renowned no-till farm Indraprastha. Also hear from Dr. Abhijith on how you can minimize the role of pesticides and heal nature with the help of spiders. He says spiders are the best friend of farmers, and approximately 1 lakh spiders live in 1 acre of organic farm. All this is happening on the morning of 10th April at Sri Onkar Goushala, Shivagange, Nelamangala in Bengaluru. Onkar Goshala started in 2016 and is located in a very scenic setting. They have conserved over 100 local Desi cows, including vanishing breeds like Hallikar, Malnad and Gir. Register now and enjoy the new year by being one with nature.